How we doing? Dr. Jason Schumart here with your weekly update. This week we're talking about asthma and chiropractic. There was a study that came out in 2000 that showed that 17 million Americans suffer from asthma, and that's costing them about $13 billion and visits to physicians, medication, all that involved. So what the study did was they actually took 47 subjects that had suffered from asthma and they started adjusting them. And they adjusted them from anywhere between 14 to 44 visits on an average. About 26 visits or so wasn't the average amount of visits. What they found on that study was that afterwards the patients stated they could breathe better, they used less medication, and they overall just felt better of having to use the medication and just feeling better in general. And on a personal note on this, I suffered from asthma and allergies as when I was a child. From the time I was born, I was actually in and out of hospitals for major asthma attacks and allergy attacks as well. And I suffered through that my whole childhood until about the age of like 18 to 19 when I actually started getting adjusted myself. And ever since that point from getting adjusted, I haven't had any more asthma attacks. I actually haven't had one since. And my allergies have significantly decreased as well. I don't use an inhaler anymore. I don't take any medication for asthma. I get checked on a regular basis to maintain that overall function. What was also great about that study was there was a 2-year follow-up where they weren't getting adjusted at all, and they still felt great. They still were decreasing. They had to take as many medications, and they felt wonderful. Obviously, I'm sure they're probably getting adjusted on a regular basis as well. So this week's on chiropractic and asthma. If you suffer from asthma or you know anyone who suffers from asthma, please get them checked. It's possible that chiropractic might be helpful for them, and hopefully they can get better as well, like with some of the subjects did in their study as well. Give the office a call if you're interested in getting yourself checked on a regular basis as well. 858-564-7081 is our office. Active Posture Chiropractic. You probably see it on the bottom of the screen right there, the information as well. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon. Look forward to the next talk, and we'll have our next health topic next time. Take care, guys.